this week we get to show you how we laid out the drawers and cut out the slots to install the drawers in the new cabinet. I installed the new farmhouse sink, kind of unusual, but I did it. We tackled the drain pipe, which was a task in itself. I tried laying out these drawers a couple of different ways. You know, I just want to show you some. Check this out. At first I was gonna cut it here, then it moved to here. Now I'm finally cutting it here. I had it laid out here, here, here. Now it's here and here. Only the ink pen lines is what I'm gonna be cutting. And what I ended up doing was I cheated. I went on my computer and laid out some stuff and took the measurements off of there. So yeah, that's what I ended up doing. This morning we're gonna cut the bottom drawer because it's too long. If you look in here, we have all this tubing and wires. The drawer used to be higher in the older position. Now that I redesigned the cabinet, I put one lower. So what I did was I bought some new drawer slides. These are gonna come right here, so you can see that we're gonna be taking this much off the drawer. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get one of my friends to go ahead and cut this drawer down for me, because he's got the tools to do that. And at the same time, I'm gonna see if he can take these doors and shrink them a little bit this way and that way. That way they're gonna fit good under the sink. So we got some crabs. We picked them up from Highway 24 Seafood. We got 8 clusters of Dungeness crabs, and we're looking forward to eating that. This next shot, we're gonna go fast and climb up over the trees. Okay? So I'm gonna start recording, and then I'm gonna punch it, and then rise up. And I'm watching it. That's the one thing you got to think about too, is you can only fly these drones with line of sight. You're not supposed to fly past line of sight. And that was a great shot. So I'm putting some peel and stick tile right here underneath the cabinet because I didn't want to leave just the bare wood, and I didn't want to put the good laminate. So I just got some regular vinyl peel and stick. I'm gonna go ahead and put that. Okay, line up with this line. So I cut this down, and I'm gonna cut the pipe a little bit more. Put this collar right here, and I got this pipe now. It's gonna be resting about 3/4 above the heater, and it comes down over here. So we're gonna have enough room to put our drain and all up underneath that thing.
What is that?
This is some cement to glue back the drain pipe. I took about
That's a funny looking a little adapter.
I took about 4 inches off of the drain pipe to lower the pipe down.
Don't get that on your hands. It seems as though it's not going to be easy to get off.
We just finished putting the peel and stick floor down underneath where the cabinet is. What I'm planning on doing next is I'm gonna put the wall back up and start laying out for the drawers and finish all those rails. It's supposed to rain again, so it's kind of, the weather's nasty. It's icky. So I turned on the air conditioning inside the RV. I'm gonna hopefully can let it cool off a little bit for us, because it's about 78 degrees right now. So check this out. So I'm marking where the edge of the sink is gonna have to go, okay? Because underneath the sink, there's some holes. Now we have those holes in the far corners on the other side. So what I'm gonna do is I'm taking a cap from a piece of 3/4 PVC pipe, and I screwed it down, and I'm gonna cut it just like I cut this one. Then I'm gonna screw this down to the top of that platform, and that's gonna hold my sink in place from going back and forward in other directions. Yep. So I screwed it down right here. We're gonna see what happens when we move the sink. Okay, it looks like it popped on place. Sits flush too. Looks good. But yeah, it's raining, and it just sounds amazing. One good thing is I searched around. I didn't see any more water leaks. Just to show you where we at. I just got this one left to put in right here. And this is a vent that we're gonna have. I got I think it's a 12 by 6 or a 14 by 6 that's gonna come in right here. And then we're gonna put the doors on. We got some sanding to do. We're gonna put like a little bit of wood Bondo, clean up the edges, and sand it smooth. Get it ready for paint. I don't know if you could see this with this low light, but this is gonna be nice when it's finished. Watch it. What was that, dude?
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.
Comment below.
Deuces.
I'm gonna replace that tile that I just messed up.
Why? Nobody's gonna see that.
I'm gonna see it in my head.
Oh God. Serious?
Yeah.
We have an extra tile apparently.
Yeah.
Okay. That's some pretty tile.
Yeah, you ain't gonna see it.